All right, the second objective in this section is connecting confidence intervals to two-sided tests, and we're going to focus on means as our way to introduce this. So, for instance, if a 95% confidence interval for mu does not capture the null value, so 95% does not capture the null value, then we can reject the null at the alpha equals 0.05 significance level. We reject the null. So again, if it's not our confidence interval, then we're not confident that's the right value. So then that's why we reject the null. Versus in a 95% confidence interval, if we do capture the null, then we should fail to reject the null. Let's not throw the null away at the alpha equals 0.05 significance level. Again, 95%, 5%. Okay, that needs to be made a connection. Okay, all right, so let's see how we look at these problems. So it says 20 years ago, the mean time of employment for the population of postal employees was 7.5 years. Is this value still true today? To find out, researchers take a random sample of 100 current postal employees and record how long each person has worked at the Postal Service. A 99% confidence interval for the mean time of employment is 6.603 years to 7.397 years. What conclusion would you make for a test at the alpha equals 0.01 significance level of null hypothesis mu equals 7.5, alternative hypothesis mu does not equal 7.5, where mu is the true mean time of employment among all current postal employees? Explain. So again, this is a two-sided test. Right there, not equals to, two-sided. We have a 99% confidence interval. We have a 0.01 significance level, so we are matched there. Our confidence interval is 6.6 to about 7.3, and our null value is 7.5. So we look at our null value compared to the confidence interval, and we see that that null value is not in the confidence interval. So say because the null value of 7.5 is not captured by the 99% confidence interval, we would reject the null. At the alpha equals 0.01 significance level. Because we reject the null, that means there is convincing evidence that and now I'm going to get it right from here, that the true mean time of employment among all current postal employees differs from 7.5 years. And again, that's what our alternative hypothesis says. Okay. So again, we did not go through the whole 4-step process to perform a test. We simply used a confidence interval to then make the same conclusion we would if we would go through the test using the sample data. Okay. So if it's not captured, you reject it. There is convincing evidence for the alternative, and that's what this says, differs from 7.5 years. Awesome. All right, so good luck on the homework, and next day is going to be your quiz. Good luck on that as well.